Good afternoon, Mike's again. Once more with the 330 DL. One more this machine, as you say, the customer, part 2 in it, where the customer itself, right, was complaining that the machine wasn't starting. So, where they change the ECM, and we end up with the same problem that the engine wasn't starting. We was called in, and so far we're going through the machine. We install our ECM, which is this is the ECM, which is the machine controller. We install the machine controller, and still the machine wasn't starting. So what happened automatically while we're running through troubleshooting on electronics? We scan the machine, we didn't see no code, but we see was having a low voltage towards the engine ECM, which is a C9 engine. Now what happens is that when we check through the system and we come through and a corroded piece on this part of the relay. Now this piece of the harness here is what takes the current from this one of the relay down to that one to the start relay, which is this one over here, and then this supplies the starter with the current bar as well. This is the one that runs the current straight towards the engine ECM, where we was not getting current down to the ECM. So the problem was right here with the terminal itself break off. If you're watching here clearly, that you could see the terminal itself break off on both sides from the junction box itself, and that way we was not getting current going on to the ECM. So a quick fix, we get through, change up this, and we're ready for the road. Nice.